I'm walking down the street, phone glowing in my palm. Open up the map app, boom, it knows where I am. I didn't tell it nothing, didn't whisper one clue, but it's like, hey buddy, I've been watching you. GPS, why you always know me? Everywhere I go, you already show me. Creepy little orbit spies floating in the dark. Pin me on the map like a digital dart. The secret sauce, atomic clock time ticking so perfect it practically rhymes. If the timing is off by a teeny mistake, my location could jump to the side of a lake. GPS, why you always know me? Everywhere I go, you already show me. Creepy little orbit spies floating in the dark. Pin me on the map like a digital dart. Bike, walk, doesn't matter the ride. GPS be whispering like turn left outside. 4 signals hit, now your altitude's clear. 5 signals, bro, you can measure the sphere. GPS, why you always know me? Everywhere I go, you already show me. Creepy little orbit spies floating in the dark. Pin me on the map like a digital dart. Maybe it's creepy, maybe it's cool. Maybe I'm low-key, a satellite's full. From the cosmos down to this grocery aisle, your space lasers kinda make me smile. GPS, why you always know me?